Okay, so we're going to have a fire here in a little bit. And when I was in Boy Scouts, we didn't do wood the way everybody does now. You had to go gather your firewood, and then you had to get it ready, make it, prepare it, whatever. You know, we didn't sit around and baton everything. So I'm going to get this is all kindling. My smallest kindling. Once that catches and is engaged, this will go on. And once that goes, we get this set. And then we have this, which is basically finger size, a little less. When this stuff is going, that means we're capable of playing self-sustaining, and I've got larger wood for that. I'll get my tinder here in a little bit. That
just for blowing my nose.
Yeah, that's for Sean for his other things, because it's that kind of still cold weather stuff. And so I'm going to go gather my tinder bundle, because while I love matches, I think I'll play with a ferro rod this time. This is muddy with ash. Very damp. Had a lot of rain. So this is what we're going to put down to insulate the beginning of the fire. And if you know what I'm using, go ahead and add that as a comment down at the bottom. This will insulate everything away from all the dampness. Here we have some vining weeds. And yes, I can take and prep this in the dry grass. I'd rather find things that are easier. You do this. Here we have some foxtail grass. This will be good. So we use some of that. We use this stuff. We want to gather a bunch of things from the weeds here. And I'll see you back at the fire pit.
Cool.
Okay. All right. We got Sean's ferro rod here. There, I see it's starting to come through. Keep it with plenty of air. Oh, and if you missed, P38 was the striker. So we gathered our firewood. We got it all prepped. Snapped it in little pieces. Nothing batoned here. And we've had a lot of rain. Woohoo! And apparently my phone just reset in my pocket. So that's what it takes. One good ferro strike from Sean's ferro rod. Woohoo! Yes, Sean did this himself. So did a pretty damn good job. Once this stuff is burning and we have enough going that this fire would be considered self-sustaining. Now when we did this in Scouts though, we had to have everything prepared, and you lit it and walked away, and it had to stay with one match.
Or if I'm doing paper,
Right.
sometimes I use quiet. Depends on what I got handy.
This fire is willow all the way with basically foxtail grass being the main source for everything. And stuff in the middle of that milkweed. Woo! It worked great, didn't it? Guess I got a little bit of water in here heating up. Sean and I are going to play with these.